Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking KDP book cover in Canva, step by step. Whether you're self-publishing your first book or just exploring cover design, this guide will help you bring your story to life visually. No advanced design skills required. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile app. Canva is an amazing user-friendly design tool that makes it easy for anyone to create stunning visuals. Once you're on the homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type book cover. Press enter and you'll instantly see a wide selection of book cover templates, from romance and mystery to nonfiction and fantasy. These templates are a great starting point because they're already sized and styled for book layouts. Take your time scrolling through and find one that fits your book's theme or tone. The design you pick should reflect your story. For example, a bright, colorful layout works well for motivational books, while darker, minimalist designs fit suspense or thriller genres. Once you've found one that feels right, click on it and select Customize this template. This will open the Canva editor, your creative workspace. Here's where you'll add your personal touch and make the cover truly your own. Start by editing the text. Click on the title area and type in your book's name. Then update the author name or any tagline you want to include. Don't be afraid to experiment with fonts, colors, and alignment until you find a balance that feels bold yet readable. Next, enhance your design with elements. Click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. This is where you'll find graphics, illustrations, lines, and shapes. Maybe you want to add a subtle background, pattern, or an image that reflects your book's theme. You can also upload your own images or artwork if you have a specific cover photo in mind. When customizing, aim for a clean and visually balanced look. Avoid clutter and make sure your title stands out clearly even at smaller sizes. This is especially important for Kindle listings. Once your design feels polished, click the download button at the top right corner. For KDP, choose PDF print for the highest quality output. If you're designing a full cover with spine and back, you can use Canva's custom dimensions based on your book's page count and trim size. And that's it. You've just created a professional KDP book cover using Canva, quickly, easily, and affordably. Remember, a great book cover not only attracts readers, but also communicates the essence of your story. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.